Eat some in there.
You left some in there too, huh?
Yeah. Open the next one. Let's see what's in there.
You want to see what's in here?
Yeah.
You know what I just noticed? Everything is egg-shaped except the M&Ms. And the rabbit.
Wow. It's an egg.
Hey, Matt, go to record. Are you recording? What's in it? Take a big bite. What is that?
Oh, look. White. White.
What's white though?
Yeah, I'm recording, kiddo.
Recording. Is it good?
Yeah. Can I try one?
No, but I bet your daddy might want to try one.
Want to try one, Daddy?
I will never say no to that.
Like some eggs. I wonder what's favorite color is yours. Here, explain one. It's your favorite blue.
Thank you.
Are you sucking on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think it's supposed to be marshmallow. It's a marshmallow egg.
I think Easter Bunny made it.
You think the Easter Bunny made that? I think he might have too. And his name is Russell Stover.
Yes, and I caught that on camera.
What's that on there?
An M. Like in M&M's.
Don't throw away the W's.
What kind is that one?